Exercise 12.4, question number 1. A solid wooden toy is in the shape of a cone surmounted on a hemisphere of the same radius. That means a cone is placed on top of a hemisphere. The same radius, 2.1 centimeter. If the total height of the wooden toy is 8.1 centimeter, find its total surface area and volume. They have the same radius, that is 2.1 centimeter, and the total height of the toy is 8.1 centimeter. So here is the figure. It's a cone which is surmounted on a hemisphere. This is the total length of the height of the toy, which is 8.1 centimeter, and the radius of this two is 2.1 centimeter, which means this portion will also be 2.1 centimeter. So if the whole length is 8.1, the height of the cone alone itself will be 8.1 minus 2.1, that is 6 centimeter. Let us write the given first. Here, for the hemisphere, the radius is 2.1 centimeter, and for the cone, once again the radius is 2.1 centimeter. The height, as we said, 8.1 minus the whole length minus 2.1 centimeter, that gives 6 centimeter. And let's find out the slant height of the cone, because we'll be needing it. We are asked to find the total surface area. Surface area of cone is given by pi r L, where L is involved, so we will need to use the slant height. So let's find out the slant height of the cone, L. We have slant height L square equal to h square plus r square. L square, h is 6 square, r will be 2.1 square. L square, this gives 36. 2.1 square will be 4.41. So L square equal to 36 plus 4.41 will be 40.41. It means L will be equal to root over 40.41. Now finding the square root of this, it is 6.35. We'll be taking only up to 2 place of decimal. So the slant height is 6.35. Now, since we asked for the total surface area, let's first find out total surface area. Total surface area of the toy. I'll just write equal to here. So when we say total surface area of the toy, it will be this portion. This portion including conical portion. So this includes total surface area. That will be curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone. So it will be curved surface area of cone plus hemisphere. Now curved surface area of cone is given by pi r L. I put the value r, and L is 6.35. Hemisphere curved surface area is 2 pi r square. Let us take common in these two. We have pi and 2.1. So now we are left with 6.35 plus 2 into 2.1. Putting the value of pi, 22 by 7, 2.1, 6.35 plus, and multiplying 4.2, 7 into 0.3, and this on multiplication will be 6.6. 6.35 plus 4.2 will be 10.55. And now on multiplying these two, 69.63 centimeter square, that is the surface area. Now let's go for the volume. Volume of the toy will be equal to volume of cone plus hemisphere. Here we said volume of cone plus hemisphere because volume of the toy is made up of cone and hemisphere, so it will be simply a cone plus hemisphere. So volume of cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Once again, let's take common between these two. 1 by 3 will be common, pi as well, again 2.1 square. So we are left with 6, and here 2 in the numerator remains, and 2.1 square is taken common, so 2.1 remains. 1 by 3, putting the value of pi, 22 by 7, 2.1, 2.1. Now 6 plus 4.2, cancelling this, 7, 0.3 gives 2.1, and 3 into 0.1 gives 0.3. Multiplying 2.2 and 0.1, 22 and 0.1 gives 2.2, 2.1. 6 plus 4.2, 10.2. Now on multiplying all this, 2.2 and this 2 gives 21.42. 2.2 into 21.42 gives 47.124 centimeter cube because it's volume. Let's round off this. So 47.12 centimeter cube, which is the volume of the solid toy.